Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Have you ever wondered how to make that special someone really miss you? Well, today we're diving deep into the secrets women don't want you to know about making them miss you. It's going to be an exciting journey, so let's get started. Secret 1, give her space. Sometimes the best way to make someone miss you is to, well, not be around quite as much. It might sound counterintuitive, but giving her space can actually bring you closer together in the long run. Think about it like your favorite dessert. You crave it, you look forward to it, and when you finally get to have it, it's pure bliss. But if you have it every single day, it starts to lose its specialness, right? It becomes routine, something you might even start to take for granted. It becomes just another thing, no longer exciting or special. But if you only have it every once in a while, oh my goodness, it's like a party in your mouth. The anticipation makes it taste even better. And it's the same with relationships. A little bit of distance can make your time together feel more special and cherished. When you give her space, it gives her a chance to miss your presence, your laugh, your goofy jokes. She starts to realize how much she enjoys having you around. She starts to remember all the good things about being with you, the little moments that make your relationship unique. It allows the anticipation to build, The excitement of seeing each other again can reignite the spark. Absence really does make the heart grow fonder. The time apart can make your reunion feel like a fresh start. Think about it. When you're constantly around someone, it's easy to take them for granted. The magic can fade if there's no room to breathe. But when you're not always there, it gives her a chance to appreciate you more. She'll start to look forward to the moments you share. Remember, a little distance can make the heart grow fonder, and it might just be the secret ingredient to making her miss you like crazy. So give her space and watch your relationship flourish. Secret 2, be unpredictable, but not in a weird way. Okay, so we've talked about giving her space, but now let's talk about keeping her on her toes in a good way, of course. It's all about adding a touch of excitement and unpredictability to your relationship. Now, when I say be unpredictable, I don't mean you should start wearing a different costume every day or suddenly decide to learn how to juggle chainsaws. That might be a bit too much and could come off as weird. Just sprinkle a little spontaneity into the mix. It could be as simple as an impromptu dance in the living room or cooking a new recipe together. Think of it like this. Routines are great, they give us structure and make us feel secure. But sticking to the same routine day in and day out can become monotonous. But a little surprise every now and then? That's what keeps things exciting. It breaks the monotony and adds a spark to your relationship. It's like finding a $20 bill in your pocket. You weren't expecting it, but boy, does it make your day. Those little moments of joy can make a big difference. Instead of the usual Netflix and chill night, surprise her with tickets to a concert or a show she's been dying to see. It's a great way to show you care about her interests. Or maybe whisk her away for a weekend getaway. A change of scenery can do wonders for your relationship. Even small gestures can go a long way. A love note hidden in her bag or a bouquet of flowers can make her feel special and appreciated. Trust me, she'll appreciate the effort, and it will definitely make her miss you when you're not around. It's these thoughtful actions that strengthen your bond and keep the relationship vibrant. Secret 3. Show your passion for something, anything. You know what's really attractive? Passion. And I'm not just talking about the romantic kind, although that's great too. I'm talking about being passionate about life, about your hobbies, your interests, your work, everything. When you're passionate about something, it lights you up from the inside out, and that's incredibly magnetic. Think about the things that make your heart sing, the things that make you forget to check your phone. It could be anything from playing guitar to collecting stamps to volunteering for a cause you believe in. Whatever it is, embrace it, let it shine. When you're genuinely excited about something, it shows. It's contagious even. And when you're not around, she'll remember that spark, that energy that you radiate when you're talking about your passions. Secret 4, be a good listener. Like, really listen. In a world full of distractions, Being a good listener is like a superpower. It's a rare and valuable skill that can transform your relationships. And I'm not talking about just nodding your head and saying, uh-huh, while scrolling through your phone. That's not real listening. I'm talking about really listening, the kind of listening that makes the other person feel heard, understood, and valued. It's about being fully present in the moment. Think about it. How good does it feel when you know someone is truly present and engaged in what you're saying? It's a feeling of genuine connection. It makes you feel special, important, and connected. It's a powerful way to show you care. So how do you become a master listener? It's simpler than you might think. First, put the phone down, close the laptop, and give her your undivided attention. Show her that she's your priority in that moment. Make eye contact, nod, and offer verbal cues that you're following along. These small gestures go a long way. And most importantly, listen to understand, not just to respond. It's about truly grasping what she's saying. Ask clarifying questions, reflect back what you've heard, and try to see things from her perspective. This shows empathy and understanding. Let her know that her thoughts, feelings, and experiences matter to you. It's a way to build trust and intimacy. Trust me, she'll not only appreciate it, but she'll also miss those deep, meaningful conversations when you're not around. Being a good listener can truly deepen your bond. Secret 5. Maintain your own life because you're interesting. Alright, here's the thing. Relationships are fantastic. They add so much joy and companionship to our lives. But here's the secret. They work best when both people have their own lives outside of the relationship. Think of it like this. You're two whole, complete individuals coming together to share your lives, not two halves trying to make a whole. When you have your own hobbies, interests, and friends, it makes you more interesting, more engaging, and frankly, more attractive. Plus, when you're busy doing your own thing, it gives her a chance to miss you. It gives her time to appreciate the time you do spend together and to look forward to the next time you'll get to hang out. Just make sure you're nurturing your own interests, spending time with your friends, and pursuing your passions. It'll make you a more well-rounded and interesting person, and it will definitely make her miss you when you're not around. Secret 6. Surprise her occasionally, because who doesn't love surprise? You know, life can get pretty routine, especially when you're in a relationship. That's why it's so important to shake things up every now and then and surprise her with something special. And no, I'm not talking about grand, over-the-top gestures. Sometimes the smallest, most thoughtful surprises are the ones that have the biggest impact. Think about it. What's more meaningful? A generic bouquet of flowers on Valentine's Day, or a single sunflower on a random Tuesday just because you were thinking of her? It's the thought that counts, the element of surprise, the reminder that you care. So, how do you surprise her in a way that will make her miss you? Pay attention to the little things she says. Even something as simple as cooking dinner for her after a long day, or drawing her a warm bath can be incredibly romantic and thoughtful. It's the thoughtfulness behind them that truly matters. Secret 7. Be confident because confidence is sexy. Alright, let's talk about confidence. You know, that inner belief in yourself, that swagger that makes you walk a little taller and smile a little wider. Confidence is incredibly attractive, and it's something that women definitely pick up on. Now, I'm not talking about arrogance or cockiness. That's a whole different ballgame. I'm talking about genuine self-assurance, the kind of confidence that comes from knowing your worth, embracing your flaws, and not taking yourself too seriously. When you're confident, it shows in everything you do, from the way you carry yourself to the way you interact with others. You're more likely to go after what you want, you're not afraid to speak your mind, and you're comfortable in your own skin. And that, my friends, is incredibly sexy. So go ahead, channel your inner rock star, embrace your awesomeness, and watch as your confidence draws her in like a moth to a flame. Secret 8. Create shared experiences because memories last a lifetime. You know what really makes a relationship special? Shared experiences. Those moments, big and small, that you create together, the ones that become inside jokes, cherished memories, and the foundation of your bond. Think about it. What do you remember most about your relationships? Is it the everyday routines or the extraordinary adventures you've shared? It's those unique experiences, those moments that take your breath away, that truly cement a connection. So how do you create these unforgettable moments? It doesn't have to be anything extravagant. It could be as simple as trying a new restaurant together, going on a road trip, or even just staying up late talking and laughing until your sides hurt. The key is to be present, to savor the moment, and to create something special together. And when you're not around, those memories will come flooding back, making her miss the laughter, the joy, and the connection you share. So there you have it, folks. 8 secrets to make her miss you. Remember, it's all about being your best self, giving her space to breathe, and creating a connection that's so strong, she can't help but miss you when you're apart. Thanks for watching, and remember, you're all amazing.